If you are wondering what in the world is the Cybertruck doing in Europe, if it can't even be sold there. The pickup truck was in a 3-car convoy, driving through the streets of Copenhagen. However, on display is nowhere near driving on public roads, so that can't actually be explained, not as far as we know, unless it received a special permit that would allow it to drive from one location to another. However, trailering it to its destination would have definitely been legal and would have attracted just as much attention. The Tesla Cybertruck does not comply with the European Union safety and protection standards for pedestrians and cyclists. In order to be able to market it in Europe, Tesla should modify the basic structure of the vehicle. The pickup truck is too heavy to be driven with a B-category driving license, which restricts the weight of the vehicle to 3.5 tons.